This is the Stena engine, manufactured by Maffett and Flats of Manchester to drive this Stirling mechanism operating the textile finishing trade to stretch the cloth after dyeing or bleaching. There are 3 identical cylinders, 4 inches with 6-inch strokes at 120 degrees.